Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can verify your account on Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be explaining this for the web version. However, I'm pretty sure the same process applies for the mobile version as well. So let me get right into it. Now, let me just first switch to an account that isn't, verified. So I'll just go ahead and switch accounts, go to this one, and there we go. Now, as you'll see, once I switch my account, this is an account which hasn't had a verified email address. And if I hover over the orders and account, as you'll see, I have to add an extra layer of security by verifying my email. Now you can click here to verify now, and that will open up the verification code area. You'll get a verification code on your email address, which you have used to register to Temu, and then once you enter it, you can resend the code after 60 minutes if you can't find it. However, if you can't find it, I do recommend first checking out the spam folder or any other folders you might have on your email without an inbox, or except for the inbox, since it might go to the spam folder as sort of a promotion. Now, if it isn't in the spam folder and it's anywhere else, if it's in the inbox, just copy over the code. Not sure if you can copy paste it, but you can enter it digit by digit, and it is a 6-digit code which you can easily just enter. And once you enter it and accept the code, that is pretty much all there is to it. Afterwards, it'll just be immediately verified, and you're good to go. And that is literally all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.